Netflix hacks. Finding for movies use this shortcut. Go to Google and type Netflix secret codes. You'll find different categories movie codes. You can see for different movies, different codes are on the right. Copy any code and paste it to your Netflix account. After that, you'll see all movies for that code. I copied and pasted for classic thriller movies. All the movies are classic thriller. Let's try another code. Next, I choose Indian movies code. Now pasting it. You'll find all Indian movies. Easy to find. Follow us.